So now I'm going to walk you guys through another thing that you guys can do to help you kind of rank your videos, help you get found more, help your videos do better. So one of the ways you can do that is with subtitles. So YouTube can do auto-generated subtitles, but those don't actually get indexed by Google. And so obviously with SEO, the more times you have your keywords and all of those sort of things on the video, the better your video will do. So if you actually do your own subtitles, then then it's indexing by Google and it's hitting those keywords multiple times, which helps your SEO on that video. So it can help you rank and all of those sort of things. So another thing that you can do is add subtitles. So this isn't something that's super important. It's just another thing you can do to help you out. So something you can definitely try out. It's definitely not something you have to do. And if it's going to take you a long time to do, I'd recommend not lowering how many videos you post just to put subtitles on. I think it's more important to post more videos than it is to put subtitles on. But this is just another thing that you can do. So if you go into your studio and then you go to video here, then click edit. As you can see here, first of all, you can go to subtitles over here on the side. And as you can see here, you can add language and then do automatic. So that'll do it automatically. But then you can go into here and you can click add and you can add your own subtitles. So here you can either hit create new subtitle, and this will allow you to play through the video and add your subtitles in as you're going. And that will index it by Google. Another thing you can do is upload a file. So if you don't want to do all of that work, another thing that you can do is transcribe it. So basically if you go to rev.com, you can do $125 per video. So they will caption your videos for you. So $125, if it was a 10-minute video, would be about $12.50. Another thing you can do is do this. So I would recommend using this one instead. Basically, you can drop your video in right here. It's for 25 cents per minute. They will create captions for you that you can then just drop into here. And so that would only be $2.50 for a 10-minute video. And then if it messes up at all, since this is AI, so it's not an actual person doing this, it's AI, so you'll get it really quickly in about 5 minutes. And then if there's any mistakes in it, you can edit them. And then if you upload it here, then that's going to allow you to be able to then get those captions indexed by Google. And also subtitles can help with retention rate as well. Because it makes the viewer more active and engaged, right? So that's another thing you can do for $2.50 for a 10-minute video. You can just get that caption, drop it in here, and see how that helps you rank and helps your videos grow as well. So just another thing you can do to help you out.